get them up. Everybody up, love it look, yeah, get them up. Yeah.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel, guys. So as you guys can see, I'm at the gas station right now. I just got some gas, but I didn't fill it up because I'm gonna do some data log right now, so I could finish up this 93 tune. And also I just swapped out a part of the intake. I got a different part like this from my boy Turbo P, so I just swapped it out, get some gas. So I'm gonna hit the 95 right now. But yeah guys, make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe, and watch the full video, man. Seat belts, safety first, guys. And I'm in the queue, so when I'm on the highway I'll just pick up at the camera. So now I'm on the highway, guys. I'm gonna see if we could get any any runs tonight, but if not, I'm just gonna do the data log and vlog for you guys. So right now I'm just cruising. And yeah guys, it's been a while since I do a POV, so I decided to do a POV for you guys. And also I have an update on the car. I also got a 3-inch intake. So I sold the AMS intake to get 3-inch long tube, so you could see the size of this, guys. So this is the 3-inch long tube intake, but I got it on the car. So this is the piece I swapped out earlier that I told you about in the video. So here's it. This is where the mass airflow sensor goes, and the vacuum hose go right here too. For those of you that got a VR30, Q60 or 50, it doesn't matter. Yeah guys, so right now I'm about to do the third gear pull when I go over right here, and so I could like send it over to a race box. So yeah guys, stay tuned. Okay guys, so I'm gonna do the third gear pull right now. So I'm at 3005 RPM and I'm gonna floor it. Oh shit, I didn't press it. So I'm gonna have to do it over. So I make sure I press it. So now I'm at 35 RPM, so I'm gonna floor it without shifting it. So after I do all of that, I shift it. So now I'm good. So I'm gonna have to go in the app and send it over to a race box, so they could do whatever they do and send me a file in the morning. Yeah guys, so if y'all like the content, man, please subscribe, like and comment, man. And also I'm on 93 right now, as I said earlier into the video. I'm on a 93. I'm gonna go E30. So stay tuned for that, guys. Okay guys, so we didn't get any runs tonight, but we'll always get runs in the future, so it's no biggie, guys. And if y'all reach this far into the video, like, comment and subscribe, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.